Now we discuss about properties of matrix addition. First property is commutative law. If A and B are two matrices of same order, say m by n, then sum of A and B is equal to B plus A. This property is known as commutative property for addition. Now we prove it. A plus B is, what is matrix A? Matrix A can be written in general form as Aij, and order of this matrix is m by n. Now matrix B is Bij, and order of matrix B is m by n. Now both the matrices are of same order. It means we can add them, and for addition of two matrices we add their corresponding elements. So sum of these two matrices is Aij plus Bij, and order of this matrix will be m by n. Here Aij and Bij are two numbers, and in numbers, real numbers, commutative law holds. So we can write Aij plus Bij as Bij plus Aij. Now this matrix can be written as sum of two matrices. First matrix are taken by taking elements Bij, and second matrix is taken as taking elements Aij. Now Bij matrix, we got matrix B. So in place of this we write matrix B, and in place of this we write A. So we have proved that A and B are two matrices, and their sum A plus B can be written as B plus A. It means in this commutative law holds. Okay. Now we discuss associative law for three matrices. For any three matrices A, B, C of the same order, say m by n, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now we take left hand side. Matrix A is Aij plus matrix B Bij plus matrix C Cij. Here A and B matrices are written in bracket. It means first of all we will find the sum of A and B. Now sum of these two matrices is Aij plus Bij, because both the matrices are of the same order m by n. So their sum will be of order m by n, and their corresponding elements will be sum of these two matrices Aij plus Bij. Now first matrix is of order m by n, second matrix is of order m by n. So we can find their sum, and what will be their sum? Sum of these two elements. So this matrix is Aij plus Bij plus Cij. Here Aij, Bij, Cij are numbers, and in real numbers associative property holds. So we can write Aij plus Bij plus Cij as Aij plus sum of Bij plus Cij. Now this matrix is sum of two matrices. We can convert it in sum of two matrices, taking first element Aij and this second element, we convert this matrix into sum of two matrices. Now this matrix is again sum of two elements, so we can write this as sum of two matrices Bij and Cij. Now what is Aij? Aij is matrix A, Bij is matrix B, and Cij is matrix C. Now these two matrices are written in bracket, so we write it in bracket. It means we have proved that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This property is known as associative property or associative law. Now we will discuss about additive identity. Suppose A is a matrix of order m by n. Now we want to find such a matrix that such that sum of these two matrices is again A. So first of all, we should consider about its order. We can find sum of two matrices when their orders are same. If order of this matrix is m by n, it means order of this matrix is m by n. Now, what about its elements? So that when we add these two matrices, the elements may be same. It means this must be null matrix. Null matrix means whose all elements are 0. Such type of matrix is known as additive identity. Just take an example to clarify this identity. Suppose matrix A is and order of this matrix is 2 by 2. It means this order of this matrix should also be 2 by 2. Now, this matrix is null matrix. It means we will take all elements 0. Now we find sum of these two matrices. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 0, 3. Now we compare this matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means this matrix is A. So, A plus null matrix is A, or null matrix plus A is again matrix A. So, this null matrix is additive identity. Let A be any matrix of order m by n. Then we have another matrix minus A. Such that sum of A and minus A, or sum of minus A and A is null matrix.